Hey guys, it's Leon, Southern Style Pressure Wash. Today we're doing a tennis court, just kind of fan out show. I want to tell you guys how we do it. The secret of a tennis court is you don't want to mix your bleach real strong. We're doing about a 3% today on this. And treating it first, and then we come back with our pressure washer with our surface cleaner. And we put it on low pressure, and I'll show you that in just a moment. Because on these tennis courts, you can streak them up pretty easy. Let me give you an example. When we turn our pressure on the surface cleaners, we're going to do a low pressure. That way you won't have your streak. This is high pressure, which is way too much. So you want to always cut your pressure back. You'll get that finished result. That's all the pressure you need. Because what happens is most of the time guys will come in and they'll put too much pressure on these tennis courts. And then next thing you know, they got them all streaked up. So anyway, this is Leon, Southern Style Pressure Washer. We're doing a tennis court today and showing you how you do it. Take your mix about 3%. Pre-soak everything. Once you get everything pre-soaked, you start cleaning. Now on the blue, we're going to do the same process, but on the blue we'll probably just do a soap on it and rinse it off because we don't want the blue running off of it. So anyway, this is Leon, Southern Style Pressure Wash. Hope this helps feel at this tennis court. I believe in always giving back a little extra. If you look at this awning next to this tennis court, they didn't ask us to clean this, but I'm going to go ahead and clean it anyway. All you got to do is spray a little bit of surfactant on it. Take care of all this stuff. But anyway, I just want to throw this in to you guys. Always do a little extra when you see something like this needs to be done. Just take care of it. Your customers appreciate it. I'll show you the end result. Thanks. Hey guys, it's Leon, Southern Style Pressure Wash, bringing you an update. We just got through cleaning this tennis court. Anyway, this is how it's supposed to look when you get through with it. So it cleaned up pretty good, still drying, but it's gonna look good once we get through with it. That's water over there standing, but that's no big deal. All right, I showed you how to clean a tennis court, and this is the results. It's Leon, Southern Style Pressure Wash.